Hey, what's up, you guys? It's John from Old Smoky Farm. We are boiling some maple sap behind us, but in today's video, we are going to visit a local farm. Well, Catherine's going because I have some very important things to do.
You stuck with me today?
Catherine's going to visit a local farm where a guy mixes his own chicken feed. And so that's pretty exciting. We're going to see if we can, we're going to get a whole bunch of it and we're going to bring it back and feed our chickens because that would be nice to reduce all of that waste from all the chicken feed bags that we get, and also nice to support a local farm.
Yeah!
Yeah! All right, so I'm going to pass you off to Catherine, and we'll see you when she gets back. So we're also going to check up on some of our emu eggs that we have in the incubator. Emu. And we're going to do a wiggle test on them, see if they're ready to hatch. So that's pretty exciting. And we're also going to announce the winners of our giveaway.
Norman. Come here, Norman.
So now Catherine's going to open this door. I'm going to give it to these silk white Easter eggers because their rooster gets a real high-pitched thing to let his ladies know that there's food. So hopefully he does it.
Ladies, there's food.
I mean, they do seem to like it.
It's his, like, excited sound.
Yeah. I mean, I do think it is to, like, let his ladies know that there's something here. Because he always does that.
Well, aren't we glad that you're the rooster that gets to stay?
All right. So, now that we have gotten the chicken food all set up, we're going to go take a look at some of our emu eggs and see if we think they're going to hatch. First, we're going to start. Kat looked at them the other day, and now it's a couple days later, so hopefully we get some wiggles.
All right, so today is Tuesday. It's February 15th. It's wiggle test day for the first 3 emu eggs that went into our incubator. They came from somebody called Michelle on Facebook. So they're the first 3 that arrived. We've got another 6 or 7 in the incubator, and we actually just found somebody local who's going to sell us 3 more eggs this weekend. So we're going to have this incubator rolling for another 60 days, but we feel like we're sort of hedging our bets by getting some local emu eggs, so that's really exciting. So let's see if we have any wiggles. So this is the Sportsman GFQ incubator. It's really nice. We find that it does a really good job of holding the temperature to be really consistent. So if you have a bunch of money sitting around and you want a really big, nice incubator, this one, 10 out of 10 would recommend. Okay. Got our 3 eggs. So, well, maybe it was me leaning on it. Cheep, 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 cheep. Cheep, 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 cheep. Cheep, 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 cheep. Cheep, 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 cheep. Hi, emus. Cheep, 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 cheep. Cheep, 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 cheep. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Hello, emus. Cheep, 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 cheep. I'm not sure. Cheep, 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 cheep. Cheep, cheep, cheep. So the other test, oh, and you can really feel it here. So sometimes there will be a really cool end and a really warm end. And when the eggs are out of the incubator, I've heard that the emu will like kind of scrunch over on one side of the egg to keep warm. This egg, this is number 44, does that say? Really feels warmer on one side. .40 maybe feels about the same on both sides. Oh, and number 42 definitely has a cold end and a warm end. So today is the day that they're supposed to go down into the hatcher so they can like get into position. Oh, did you see that? Mango! Mango! Cheep, 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 cheep. I'm pretty sure I see this one wiggling. Not a lot, so I think I'm going to put these back in so they can warm back up. Cheep, 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 cheep. Cheep, 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 cheep. Mango. Cheep, 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 cheep. You see them wiggling? I haven't yet. Blom, blom, blom.
Oh yeah, very little wiggle.
Little wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Pepper, what do you think? Mango. Cheep, 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 cheep. Cheep, 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 cheep.
Well, I can't hear it, but I mean, there's my hearing is shot, and there's cheeping over there in the water,
Yeah.
so I can't isolate.
Oh, I just absolutely saw that one wiggle. 44.
Oh yeah. Well, these two are touching, so let's.
Cheep, 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 cheep. Peep, 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 emus. Hey. Yeah.
That one just wiggled.
Yeah.
Yep. Awesome. Yeah, that one. Yeah, let's go, emus.
So is this the one that we haven't seen wiggle?
No, I thought I saw that one wiggle earlier.
Man, if we went 3 for 3 on Michelle's eggs, that would be freaking awesome.
Yeah.
All right. How many more days do these eggs have?
I don't think very many.
Think we're gonna have babies this weekend?
I think so.
Pepper, what do you think?
Oh yeah.
Hey, Pepper,
Okay.
can you sit? Can you sit, you big... Oh, that's not a sit. Can you sit? No.
All right, guys. So it is now time to pick our winner. As you can see, we did some surveys here. But anyway, so this is our video. We have a random YouTube comment picker here. So I'm going to paste that link in there. We're going to filter the duplicates. Anyway, so there's 24 unique comments. We're going to pick 5 winners here, so your chances are very good. So we're going to start with Ashley G. who came for the alpacas but will stay for the chickens. All right, so we're going to put Ashley G. And if you are a winner, please send us an email to Old Redding Farm, OldReddingFarm @gmail.com with your address, and we will send you your seeds. Let's see who's next. Ingrid Love. Right. Congratulations. We got 3 more to go. Here we go. And Chloe. Ivy. Bing. There we go. All right. Wish I could type. So, 2 more. Here we go. Chris Paul. Is that the real Chris Paul? Interesting. All right. Once again, please send us an email, oldreddingfarm@gmail.com with your address, and we will send you your seeds. Rick Dorman. Congratulations to Rick. Very long-time viewer of Old Redding Farm. And yeah, all right. So we have picked all of our winners. Once again, please send me an email, oldreddingfarm@gmail.com with your address, and we will send you your seeds. Thank you guys very much for watching this video. We really appreciate it. Please give us a like, leave us a comment, let us know what you think, and as always, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you later.